Assalamualaikum and hi guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, thank you for dropping by. Basically this channel is about my kids and my activities. So today I'm going to share with you how to make the Karipap. Okay, I know what to call it already in English. The Karipap pastry shell. The boys know when I'm in my menstrual, I am so always getting pissed with everything, and everything have to be very super clean and of course hungry 24/7. I need the Karipap. Okay guys, let's get started. So this is what you need first. 1 kilogram of flour, wheat flour to be exact. We made a lot because that time my mom made it because I want to put it inside the fridge also. After we fried it half fried and then put inside the fridge to freeze it, so next time if my kids and I want to eat, we just simply fried it. We need 1 cup of hot oil, cooking oil, and then 1 bowl of water. Pour little by little the hot oil first, and then only pour little by little the water. Knead the flour until we have the consistency that we want. But why your birthday is black?
Oh, what happened?
What the heck is that?
It's a
The
paint.
black paint from just now.
How many is it? How many you've done the cartoon? 12. So many. Is it enough to near the flour?
Why does this one have a little bit?
Okay. Why make face, huh? Abang didn't make enough, is it? Need some more.
Dude, I'm old. I'm young.
You were young.
This is how it looks like after we fried it. Before that is nice, but that actually is becoming like chewing gum because of the flour. We put not enough flour, so if you want to make it, make sure you put enough flour. Okay guys, please don't ask me how to make the filling because I only know how to eat. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. Okay, see you at my next video. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you, bye bye.